Well, good morning folks, welcome to another video. It's Richard from Bikepacking Adventures on an Audax bikepacking adventure, the Northwest North, from a different gear here in Sheffield. There's 9 of us turned up so far, there's 11 signed up, so it's going to be quite an adventure. It's got a camping spot right in the middle of it, so everybody's going to be either in a tent, that's me, or laying on the grass in a bivvy bag. Shall we take a look at the bikes? Morning, Ange.
Morning.
How you doing?
I'm alright.
She's organising, well, not only organising this Audax this weekend, but all points north as well.
Yes.
So
feels like
very
I've not
stressed.
really been home and gone to sleep.
No.
I have had a bit of sleep, but not much. I was totally wired last night, I think.
That's it, filming my faffing.
Oh yeah. Last minute faffing going on.
That wasn't a hint. Just looking for my arm warmers and leg warmers, whichever bag is shoved on there.
Yeah, you're not going to need those.
Well,
Are you
I'm
gonna
going
put
to
back
arm
a-
warmers for a bit,
Yeah.
just for a little bit, given I was an idiot and left my gloves at home.
Let's have a look along here. What, another Fairlight. This is a giant one. Giant in size. Not stupid. It's a Cannondale. Nice colour, I love that. Look at this. Bikepacking bikes and bags on show. Right, it's literally 8 o'clock. So about to get going. So the route flash up on screen, or you'll find it linked down below. Basically, it's a day in the Dales. That's where we're heading. I don't know if you can see off in the distance the Emley Moor Tower in West Yorkshire. Big radio transmitter. So I just spoke to Angela Walker there. She's the organiser of this Audax and All Points North, which is taking place in Northern England this very same weekend. So today I'm riding 212 kilometres, and again tomorrow a little bit less, heading back south to Sheffield where we started. Lots of climbing, and yeah, for those that don't know, I put a 32 cassette on this bike just because it was sat on the shelf for a little while, as in a couple of years. So that's on my bike today. So I've not got enough gears, and I'm in the Yorkshire Dales. I haven't made the right decision for the load bike as well. Don't know. Let's see how it goes. Getting close to the tower, and more importantly, tea rooms. Nearly there. Arrived at the first control, the Thorncliffe Tasting Rooms. I don't know, I'm not quite fitting him right today. His knees aren't right. Bike fit doesn't seem right. I don't know if his saddle's too high. I don't know. Just doesn't quite seem right. Just coming up to the second information control here in Oxenhope. Just heading to the lower town. Need to grab a postcode near a road sign or something. Oh, here we are, Best Lane. What's the postcode? Well, I'm going to guess it's at number 22 on the sign. '22. Steepest climb of the day so far, coming out of Oxenhope. 100 plus metres of climbing. I don't know, average close to 10, I bet. Hills and reservoirs. Oh shit. Whew. Beautiful scenery. Just going through or towards Scar Top. Beautiful. Steepest climb of the ride so far. I don't know where we are. With signposts back for Gisborne, 5 miles. Kind of built up area over there that we passed through a little bit. So middle of nowhere, heading towards the next control at Gisborne. No, it's Chatburn. Heading to Chatburn. About 6-7k away maybe. Whew. That was tough. Stuff down into Downham. Nice little tailwind. Oh dear. It's time to call up again. Where's the Climb Pro? So, I don't know if you can see too well. Maybe that's a bit too close. Yeah, 53 metres to go over 1.5. All amber. Done some of the red bits already. Quick pit stop, so chicken sandwich, yogurt. I fancied this Boost coffee thing. And I got a donation of some water. Took some Monster Munch crisps. So this is the hydration pack from hydration vest even from Restrap. It's alright. I need to make some adjustments. It rides my back a little bit too much, but I'll work it out. It's the best thing about eating the yogurt. It's got to be done. So, I just went in the cost cutters. Did not live up to the name. Heading towards Settle, and the next information control, Giggleswick. Oh yeah. I was very optimistic and finishing this 7 o'clock. That ain't happening. Making good progress. It's probably approaching 130k right now, and the last 50k or so is just all uphill. At the moment we get to Settle early, so heading towards, which probably means going through the Ribble Valley, I think. Buttertubs, which I think I called Buttercups earlier on, Buttertubs, and then Tan Hill. So yeah, two big climbs. Before then, well, 3 if you count the Ribble, if we're going that way. Yeah, some long climbs. Climb Pro said 20 kilometres worth of categorised climbs still to go. Started with 50. So yeah, just over halfway through. Still plenty of climbing to do. But it's cooled down a bit. It was rather warm earlier on. I wasn't liking that aspect of it. But now I'm glad it's cooled down a little bit. The question I've been asking myself on the bike is, well, are they going to have some towels at Dale's Bike Centre? Because funnily enough I didn't bring a towel with me. And it would be nice to have a shower. I'm sure they've got hot water showers and things. So I know they got a dry room. So you'd hope there's a bunch of towels in there. Oh yeah. Don't worry, do about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. None of this was here last time. It was a beautiful hillside before. Now the landscape is being raped. $150k done. I've passed Horton, Ribblehead. Is that right? I just went for poo there. It's about 65k to go. It's 5 o'clock. So my 7 o'clock target is not possible. It's going to be more like 8:30, I think. Just got to get to the Ribblehead now. Buttertubs, and then the piece de resistance to climb up Tan Hill. And this one here. Oh, no time for sightseeing today. I may have done this a handful of times now, but it always feels like a great achievement, and that's the climb towards Hawes from the south. And the sign, the welcoming sign, is it Richmondshire? I think so. Yeah. As you know, you've more or less reached 440 kilometres, or 440 metres even, eventually reaching the top. Dividing line between West Yorkshire and North Yorkshire, it says there. Right, so it's less than 10k towards Hawes now. The final resupply. Although I'm told everybody finishes and makes it to the end is getting a pack of some description, so that should be interesting to see what there is upon arrival at Dale's Bike Centre. Man, oh, part of dirt! More parts of dirt! Just left Hawes. Popped into the pizza shop there, played it safe, chicken burger, curly fries. So I'm on the way again. Not far from the Tan Hill, just put this, just gonna go up this and then I get up Tan Hill, collect a receipt there. Last time I was going down here, it would have been Jordan or Points North, and first time I went up it, because I went in both directions. The sun was just rising. It was absolutely amazing view, and I slept at Dale's Bike Centre for about 15 minutes or something like that, and then came back because after being in Yorkshire Dales, it was on to the Lake District, so I had to come back this way as well. Here we are, View of Buttertubs behind me. Beautiful. About 17 metres to go. Still a bit to do. And I'll be lying if I say, I'll be lying if I said I didn't get off and walk, because at the steepest part in the castle grid, that's exactly what I did. Look at that. I think that bench there must have one of the best views in Yorkshire. An interesting fact about Buttertubs as well, it's not a hill, it's a mountain. Passed over 500 metres now, which makes it a mountain. Anyway, back to the views. It's good, isn't it? Yes, I love this view, I get to see it every day.
I was pretty low on water, and I saw some running water coming off the mountain, like. So I was like, yeah, I'll have some of that. I was walking at the time. It was that last stretch, that last steep bit before Tan Hill, and I was like, I'm going to walk this.
Hey folks, I'm in the tent. You might be able to hear the pitter patter of rain on the canopy of the tent, because yeah, as expected, the rain has arrived. Luckily, after I'm inside nice and dry. Anyway, I'm about to hunker down for the night, so don't forget to check out part 2 of Northwest North coming to the channel very soon. Any questions regarding Audax or long distance riding, head down below and I'll do my best to answer if you've got any questions. I'm off to bed. Good night. Bye bye.